Today I am going to show you how to make this beautiful love effect animation in Microsoft PowerPoint. So if you want to be an expert, watch the video till the end. Let's begin the topic. Here I have already taken a blank slide. Go to Insert, go to Shape, pick a rectangle shape, drag it over here like this, Shape Outline, make it no outline. Then go to Insert, go to Shape, pick a text box, drag it over here and write here love. Change the font and change the font size and go to text spacing and make it very loose and increase the font size and place it like this. Then let me select the background shape and the text box, go to shape format, go to merge shape, click on subtract. Now I have to add a underline, so let me go to Insert, go to Shape, pick a line shape, hold down the Shift key and drag it over here, go to Shape Outline, change the color, go to Shape Outline, change the white to 6 point, or you may increase the white from here, make it 7 point. Then let me place it here. Then I have to cut from here. Then go to Insert, go to Shape, pick a rectangle shape, drag it over here like this. Shape Outline, no outline, Shape Fill, make it other fill color. Then place it like this. Then select this shape and this one. Go to Format Shape, go to Merge Shape, click on Subtract. Then place the line shape like this and change the color like the previous one. Eyedropper, select this color. Then let me go to Insert, go to Shape, pick a rectangle shape and drag it over here like this. Go to Shape Outline, make it no outline and place it over here. Then let me select this shape, go to Shape Format, change the Shape Fill color, then you can easily adjust the distance. Let me zoom in. This is perfect. Here is the line shape. You may change the color, then you can easily understand. Then let me press Ctrl A and Ctrl G to group them together. Now let me select this one. Go to Shape Format, go to Format Shape, go to Fill, Gradient Fill and change the Gradient Fill color from here. Now I have to add a background video. So where I can find this, go to any browser. I have to go the Pixabay here. Let me go to the pixabay.com. From the all image, let me select video and here let me write here love. Then you will find some beautiful video here. I have downloaded this one. Let me click on this. You may download the video very easily from here and it is free. So I have already downloaded. Let me insert this. Go to Insert, go to Video, click on this device. Here let me click on Insert and let me click on right button and send it to back. You may change the color of this line if you want. Let me select, click on this, go to Shape Outline, go to Eyedropper and you may select this color. Now select the video, go to Playback and click on Loop until stopped. Now let me watch the slideshow. Here you will find it perfect. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.